Okay guys, so we just sold Mustachio. We named it Mustachio. You can pick the name. And it's
a cute name.
Leaving. How do you feel about the dog?
Oh, I feel great. See, we're going to go home and party.
She has a crib for it already.
She'll be living on 10 acres.
10 acres? It's like nothing to our house. We have 50 acres.
But the house is 9,000 square feet. 50 acres, I get lost.
Well, like, we only have like...
You just left gas, I can
We have
smell
like
it.
20 acres of land, like free land, and then 30. We have like 100 acres of all woods and trails and all that.
My precious.
Stop crying. We still have these ones.
Look at it, look.